So we have the market open. I'm going to keep this short because I'm ending my week in just a few minutes here. So on the overnight, we had the 175 get popped. It got stopped out because it did go in past the 250. So you can't see it right now, but the entry was here, 175. It chopped around all night, stopped out, stopped me out, picked me up on the backup order, which was at the 250, which in hindsight, you could argue that I should have just had the 250 there to begin with instead of trying to front run it. But whatever. Either way, I was playing this zone right here. It was right on the border. So I took, the front run and the backup. I just took two. It's fine. One of them worked out. Now I wasn't looking. I'm just looking at this chart for the first time in the day this morning, just a few minutes ago, so I didn't do anything. I just thought, oh look, I got stopped out, and then I lost one and I won one. That's cool. This was a perfect pullback trade to get in at the 2000, 32,000, and aim all the way for off of a major level like that. With this, I might be aggressive to try and go for it on the 500, not just the 250, for something that looks this good. Clear runway. So like if you're playing football or something, like your blockers have cleared out a nice path, perfect path that all you have to do is run really, really, really fast in like a straight line. That happens rarely, like in football, and it's like a really good feeling. Apparently, I don't really play football, but I'm told that that's one of those like mwah moments. So it's like this looks to me something like that, although it's like you just barely gonna get there. So it already completed 250 from 32,000 to 750 to the 31,750. There's a little bit of divergence happening. It's more obvious on the 15. So it's a little bit of like, I don't know. I mean, maybe, defense is kind of gonna slip in at the very end here. The path is clear, but a defender might come in. You never know. That's just how the financial markets work. That's just how trading works. Like you just never know when buyers are going to come in and like ruin your plan for getting completing 2 quarters here with 500. So I don't know. That's why I don't really necessarily want to engage in it right now, because getting in on a 750 or 825 right now is a little bit like entering like the chopping block. And I'm not going to stick around for the rest of the day to pay attention to it. So I don't want to just have orders there just sitting around doing nothing. What I might take a shot at though um, is to maybe re-engage the 2000, because I mean this was a really nice looking zone right here. It's like drop, base, drop, drop, and then like and kept going. Not technically a new low, because there's just a clean path, like I was saying, like that clean runway, um, where it's just clear path to just run it down. So I don't really know. I'm kind of hesitant. I kind of want to just finish my week with. It wasn't even really a positive week if you compare to what happened last week. I lost money because I had some traps laid that I didn't really update, and I just kind of left it. I didn't really care. I thought they were decent trades. I was okay. None of them worked. I took like 3 losses in a row, and then I think I took, I made up for that with a couple of wins today. I think I lost 3, or I don't really exactly remember. I would have to look at the. Actually, let's bring that up real quick and then finish up. Lux trading firm, and I'll share that screen. Share this other screen. Okay. So I'll log in. What? Well, that's not good. That's not what you want to have happen on stream. This is bad. I don't understand why is it doing this. Okay, I guess it doesn't want me to do that right now. So I'll check in next week and figure it out then.